guys, I am heading up towards Statue of Unity. Today we are going to explore Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. It is situated in Gujarat, India. Statue of Unity is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration into a united independent nation. This statue is 182 meters tall. Yes, I am very much excited to reach to the place. Let us explore. Yes guys, I am at Statue of Unity and this is a truly proud moment for me. I am very happy to share my experience with you all. Now we are entering the gate. There is an entry ticket over here. We have booked our tickets online, so we could get in. Just behind us you can see statue. Oh my god, this statue is so huge. To reach near to the statue, we have to walk little, or there is an moving walkway which will take you near to the statue. So let's go. You can see there is an excavator which will take you up exactly near to the foot of statue. Guys, we are reaching to the statue. Guys, you can see toe of the statue behind me. You can imagine how much big the statue is. I am sure you must be enjoying with me. Now let us move to exhibition gallery and viewing gallery too. Right now we are at the entrance of exhibition gallery. Now we are at inside the lobby. From here we can go to viewing gallery. You can see here it is a very huge hall. It is fully air conditioned and very spacious. Now we are near to the lift lobby. You can see here people are waiting for lift to reach viewing gallery. This lift will take you directly to viewing gallery. We have reached. My dream came true. Guys, we are now chest area of the statue. Oh, I am in the jacket right now of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Let us see scenic view from the gallery. This lift took us directly to the ground floor, and at the ground floor you are going to visit exhibition as well as theater as well as replica of the sculpture. Here you can have some information about the legend man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now it is time for the laser and light show. Right now I am outside the museum. Have a look of this huge statue at night time. We are very much excited to attend the laser light show. Show was about 30 minutes. Here I am sharing few photographs which I have clicked. This was amazing experience. It was a very historical moment for me. Guys, we had a wonderful time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching world's tallest statue with me. Thanks for your precious time. I will be back with more videos. Till then, goodbye.